Jujutsu Kaisen Mobile Legends in Honor of Kings Edition. Sa mga naglalaro ng ML dyan, alam ko namang kilala nyo yung hero na to. So, Melissa is a marksman hero that deals great damage with her range basic attacks. Si Melissa isang malikot na marksman hero na gumagamit ng dash at ng puppet niya para mag-deal ng damage sa enemies. And also casting her ultimate that creates a barrier that protects Melissa from the enemies. Sa Honor of Kings, we also have this hero na medyo similar kay Melissa, which is si Lady Sun. Lady Sun is also a marksman hero which is played in the farm lane. She deals damage with her range basic attacks. And yung mga skills niya, lalong-lalo na yung first skill niya is more on mobility. Good thing about Lady Sun is isa siyang hero na napakalikot, napakasakit. If you know how to play her really well, kayang-kaya mo talagang buhatin yung team. Come and join us sa Jujutsu Kaisen collaboration ni Tito Hawk. I-download nyo na yung Honor of Kings sa App Stores nyo, sa Play Store nyo, at sabay-sabay nating ma-experience yung angas ng Jujutsu Kaisen na to, guys.